Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can be the first one in getting notified about your Facebook groups. So if you're interested in this video, stay tuned until the end because I'm gonna show you all the tips and tricks so you can make this happen. Let's get started. Has it happened to you that you are part of this Facebook group where you want to be notified of all the things that are happening there? Because maybe it's about your neighborhood or maybe it's about some stores offers. So because this Facebook group is very important for you, you don't want to miss anything from it. I'm gonna show you how you won't miss any of these notifications anymore. Let's go straight to my computer. Okay, and the first thing we're gonna do is, of course, going into Facebook, and once that we're there, we're gonna just go to our groups here. So we're gonna click on the groups button on the left menu, and then you will see all the groups that you're in. Once that you choose the one that you really want to have these notifications, you will be clicking on that one. Let's say you're interested in Costco Shoppers Greater Toronto area and you want to go to this group. You don't want to miss any offer, you don't want to miss any announcement that they make on this group. So the first thing that you have to do is to make sure, of course, that you have joined the group, and once that you have joined, you want to click on the three dots that is right here, and you're gonna click on pin group. You have to pin this group so you don't miss anything. Okay, so once that it's pinned, it's gonna appear on the left menu, and then you want to make sure that here on the engine button you will be going all the way down to following, and you want to make sure that you are following this group. So I'm gonna search Costco. It says unfollow, so you are following this group. If it doesn't say unfollow, that means that you're not following. And now you need to make sure that you are getting all the notifications, and to do that you have to go to the engine right here on the left side menu, and then customize notifications. You are going to go here on group notifications, and you're gonna go and look for this Costco group. Now you have it here, but by default it goes to highlights. That means that Facebook will be notifying you about the most important posts that this group has, but not all of them, and you don't want to miss any of these posts. So what you want to do is to click on this button and make sure that you have selected to every post. That way you will be notified by Facebook for every post that is made on this group. You will click on this one, and that's it. Another tip that I will suggest is to be aware of this bell right here on your computer. So every time that you have a blue dot right here on your notifications, that means that you have a notification from your group. You gotta make sure you are going through those to see if your favorite Facebook group has a new post or anything that you would like to know. And this is the way that you will be notified every time that this group makes any posts or any notifications, any news, so you will be aware of everything from now on. If you're new to this channel, let me tell you that here you will find more tutorials like this one, and is part of the playlist that is Facebook tutorials. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.